this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice vapor blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the cold weather package. We do get a dual exhaust, backup camera, nice little spoiler right there. We do get some nice black and chrome accents on this vehicle with blind spot detection. We get a block heater and a remote start with this vehicle as well, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. Got 12-volt here, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You do get your spare tire and more storage underneath. And you can collapse this row if you need additional space. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look in the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space up front, floor mats, carpet interior, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. And these seats are adjustable, which is pretty nice. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, liftgate and lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 72,216 kilometers. We get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. We do get a digital speedometer for this vehicle as well, with My View, Trip and Feel, Status Info, Vehicle Maintenance, Audio, Phone, and other settings. To my right, we have gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes, which do include normal, eco, sport, and slippery. We got our auto stop, auto start, cup holders, more storage here with some charging outlets, and we do get storage underneath. Looking here, we got dual climate up front with heated front seats, heated steering wheel, storage in the glove compartment, and we got this nice infotainment system that has audio, compass phone, Wi-Fi hotspot. For your audio, you do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls right here as well. See who's been previously connected. Any apps you may download will show them right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Got your settings and your features of the vehicle. And switching to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8069, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.